If you drive a late model Toyota vehicle and you want to know how you can clear some of the reminders that keep popping up on your multi-information display system, whether you're driving a hybrid Toyota or a non-hybrid Toyota, well, I'm going to walk you through how that's done just ahead in this video. All right, so we're actually inside of my personal vehicle for the family. It's a 2024 Toyota Sienna. And not to get anything confused, this is a multi-information display system. And this here is a multimedia system. Now, on some Toyota vehicles, you do have similar capabilities that you can get done and set on your multimedia system compared to your multi-information display system. But for this particular setting, you're gonna have to use your multi-information display system, which is right behind your steering wheel. This usually houses your power gauge for your hybrid system if you have a hybrid, your speedometer, your odometer, and right in the center is your settings and your capabilities that you can customize and toggle on your vehicle, like for example, safety settings, your energy monitor, your PSI for your tires, and so on. And now keep in mind, depending on what type of Toyota vehicle you're driving or that you're in, the display may look a little bit different. So for example, here on the Toyota Sienna Limited 2024, it is not a full LED or a full digital display, multi-information display system. It's actually a little bit smaller. But on some vehicles, like for example, the Toyota Land Cruisers, some of the Grand Highlander models, it will actually be just a full digital screen multi-information display system. Now, a lot of the times what'll happen is you'll get into your vehicle, you'll start it, and then if you are due for something like a scheduled maintenance or an oil change, what'll happen is you will get a notification that will pop up and show up on your multi-information display system specifically. Now, I'm not too sure, and can't remember exactly if it shows up on your multimedia system. I don't think that it does for the most part, at least not with the technology that's in the Toyota Sienna, but it'll definitely show up on your multi-information display system. Now, two reasons why you might want to clear that notification. One is because you have your appointment booked already with your service department and it's in the upcoming couple of days or weeks, and you just don't want to see that notification anymore every time you start your vehicle, because you will have to use a button or a function control that looks something like this to clear out or cancel out or remove that pop-up alert from your multi-information display system every time you start your vehicle. One of the other reasons why you might want to remove that notification is because you already did your maintenance or your oil change or your service, but for whatever reason, the store that you dealt with forgot to actually remove that warning and that reminder notification. So let me walk you through what you need to do to clear that. All right, so similar to all the other Toyota vehicles, you'll use these arrows here to toggle through all of your options that you have open and capable to yourself and to your vehicle in terms of changes, in terms of customizations and notifications. And you'll have to go down to the gear that is basically going to represent your settings on your Toyota vehicle, for example, on this Toyota Sienna Hybrid. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to shuffle all past these safety settings. So for example, parking assist, rear cross traffic alert, etc. And you'll want to find the one that looks like this here. It's a gearbox that is basically showing the settings for the vehicle. So that is where you go into your vehicle settings. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see two options: scheduled maintenance and oil maintenance. So you can actually go in and set these alerts. So if you want to reset it, you can do that here in the oil maintenance, or you can go into your scheduled maintenance, depends on what the specific alert that you're getting is, and you can reset this as well. Just keep in mind that when you do this, the system will think that you did your scheduled maintenance, and it will not come on again until your next maintenance is due. So disclaimer, make sure you only do this if you already have your service appointment booked and you don't want to see that maintenance reminder, or like I said, if the dealer for whatever reason forgot to clear this, then go ahead, but make sure that you don't skip out on doing that very important routine maintenance on your late model Toyota vehicle. All right, everyone, just a small tip that I want to share with everyone, all the viewers on my channel. Hopefully this information was informative for you, and it's something that you might be able to use in the future. But remember, only clear that reminder when you've already had your maintenance schedule booked in or done. Thanks for watching this video. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.